What is up guys, it's Simon from PianoPig.com, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down the chord progression from Robert Glasper's song Ah Yeah. It's a really nice, relatively straightforward chord progression, and it's going to teach us a lot about neo-soul chord progressions, as well as giving us some really nice voicings to play around with. If you enjoyed this video, as well as all the other videos on my channel, then head over to PianoPig.com and check out my membership, where I've got full step-by-step courses, a thriving community, and so much more. Let's do it! So this is how the chord progression sounds. So we've just got 5 chords to learn. Let's start with those. We begin with a G-7 flat 13. We've got the root note in the left hand, along with the flat 7, minor 3, and flat 13 on the top. And notice that this is also a stack of fourths, which 1 makes it easier to remember how to play and construct the voicing, and 2, it's what gives it that slightly suspended kind of feel. So our first chord is a G-7 flat 13. For our next chord, all we need to do is move this up by a whole step. And this gives us an A-7 flat 13. And we actually do this one more time. Take it up a whole step to give us a B-7 flat 13. So that's what our first 3 chords look like. And how does the rhythm go with these chords? Well, it's quite syncopated, and this is how it should sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So we play the first chord on beat 1, the second chord on beat 2 and the third chord on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we come to this chord, a C major 7, or I guess I'm playing a C major 13 here. But this voicing can be changed, and you can play some variations for this one. This specific voicing fits in quite well, and I'm pretty sure Robert Glasper plays this one a few times in his original recording of the track. We've got the root note down at the bottom, and if you can reach it, we're also playing the third with our thumb. If you can't reach it, just leave it out, that's fine. In our right hand, we've got the 13 and 7, both with our thumb. Then we have the 9, 3, and 5 up at the top. You could also sometimes roll onto the 3 from the 9. From the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we hold this C down for 1 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to finish off, we have an F-7. This is one of my favourite voicings, and it's actually an F-11. We've got the root and 9 in the left hand, along with the minor 3 and 11 with the right hand thumb, and then the 5, flat 7, and 9 again up at the top. One, two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, if you want something a bit more straightforward for this F minor chord, you could just play this. It's just the root with the 9, minor 3, 5, and flat 7. And we hold this F minor down for 2 bars. So from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it, Robert Glasper's neo-soul chord progression from Ah Yeah. When you get the hang of that, you can start to add some embellishments in there and just have fun jamming around with it. A good place to add some improv is whilst holding down that F minor chord. And you can use a left-handed voicing sometimes, just to occasionally give your right hand some space to improvise and add some embellishments. And during that F minor, in the context of this chord progression, you'd want to be improvising in the key of C minor. So here's an example of what I mean. So have a play around with that, and try to mix up those C major and F minor voicings to keep things interesting. Most of those voicings I used in that example I have covered in my Chord of the Month series, so go and check that out if you liked the sound of some of those voicings I was using. And that's about it for this one. It was just a short and sweet one, but hopefully that's given you something fun to play around with for the week, and taught you a little bit more about those lovely neo-soul chords. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.